Welcome! F1 is an ALCATEL Idol 5, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. Let go when you see the logo. And we're now in recovery mode. So, as you can see, it tells you to navigate using volume keys, so volume down goes down and volume up goes up, and power key is used to confirm. And here, choose your language, so I'm gonna stick with English, so power key to confirm it, and from here, you wanna select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key, like so. Then again select yes, delete all user data, power key. The process will begin, and at the bottom you have a dialog box, so last thing you should see is data wipe complete. And there it is. And reboot system now is then selected by default, so you need to only press power key now to confirm that and wait for the device to boot back up. Now it will be actually powering on a little bit longer. It's continuing to do the process in the background. But once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.